Jaren Jackson making his way over to 3B.
See everybody chopping it up. I didn't see Ja had the iced out grills in as well. He's icy from head to toe.
Dennis Scott standing by with Mr. Jackson.
All right, guys, here with Triple J. Before we talk about your career high, let's talk about this team's chemistry. The last couple years, Ja's out, you out, the ad guy, next man up. Is this chemistry that real here in Memphis?
I mean, what do you think, you know?
It looks great. No, tell the people.
Yeah, I mean, we're brothers. It goes without saying. We hang out. We know each other. I don't even know. It's hard to explain, but we don't even know how to explain it at this point. We just get each other. We know what each other does.
A lot of guys want to come into the NBA, score points, shoot threes, dunk the ball, but you take pride in getting block shots. Career high, 8 blocks, franchise tie.
Oh, that's dope. You know, I'm just there for my teammates. I'm here to back you up. If they get downhill, if they get by somebody, I'm there. I'm just trying to rim protect, make it hard on them. If we get blocks, that's a bonus. But yeah, that's great. That's great.
All game long, Brendan Haywood and I were saying this team could go all the way to the finals. That added pressure to you guys?
No, that's all we want. That's our whole mentality. No one's expectations are higher than our own, so we appreciate everybody who's on the ride with us, and we're just gonna keep going.
Your leader in Taylor Jenkins, how big is he on a day-to-day basis? Where the casual NBA fan may have never heard of his name, but you guys see him every day.
I mean, that's our guy. We go as he goes. He leads us. He's a pretty much, I think he's perfect, but you know, he wouldn't say that. So he's coach of the year. He's been coach of the year. He's gonna be coach of the year forever for me. And this year we're gonna prove it.
Appreciate you, big guy.
For sure. Thank you.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.